Last time I made the Legos and Just Playing It's Studying video containing 3 Lego builds, and the last build, which is the Lego Weekly Habit Tracker build, I'm extremely proud of how the mechanism worked, but not so proud of how the whole thing turned out. You see, the back has an extremely old-fashioned leg, and there's also an extremely large green chin on the bottom, and some people may not actually want the text bar on top. Today in this video, I'm gonna be updating and fixing all of the problems, so let's get started. And this is a version 2 of the Weekly Habit Tracker. So first off, you can see these studs have changed and it worked better. Also, all of these studded out thingies are now rounded for way smoother. Also, there's this cheese slope that I can just guide this thing in, which is pretty nice. And if you're wondering if I had to stand on the back, no, I didn't. So if you actually want to lay that down, you can. And the text bar is now separate, which is pretty cool. So on the top there are 2 finger holes if you're a lefty or if you're a righty. And then you can slide it out from the top, slide it back in, or you can just pull it out from the top. Yes, you can use a separate lead like that. And on the bottom, there are these 2 holes, so you can actually just snap them on. And I have to point out that this is so seamless. If you don't want it, you can remove it, use it separately, whatever. Now for the stand, I did come up with another solution, this. First of all, the solar panel looks just so nice with this. Looks kind of like, I don't know, like copper connection or something. Then this whole thing looks kind of like the Nintendo Switch 2 stand because it was modeled after that, which looks just so good. And when folded up, you can actually just seamlessly push this in like that. The only downside is the top is pretty thick. I mean, here's a plate for comparison. Oh yeah. And then this text bar can also easily snap on to the top like that. Now this is it. The all-new LEGO Weekly Habit Tracker 2.0. With absolutely 0 downsides. Except for this bar when you're on Sunday.